Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This soundbar is Samsung HW-B450F with wireless subwoofer. This gear is currently connected to the TV via Bluetooth. If you select display button, it will show you BT. I want us to go to the TV settings. If you scroll down to sound out, the sound out is showing us Bluetooth device. Now what we want to do is to reset this soundbar to a factory default setting. If there's a connection issue or if there's any issue with the soundbar, the best thing is for you to reset it to factory default setting. And to do this, what you need to do is you need to select plus and minus buttons, the volume up or volume down buttons, press and hold them together simultaneously for about 3 seconds, and it will show you INT OK. And once it's disconnected or reset to factory default setting, from the sound out it will show you TV speaker instead of Bluetooth device. So we're going to reset this. So press and hold the plus and minus button together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will show you INT. Wireless audio has been disconnected, sound out, and it's now showing us TV speaker. And this will switch off the soundbar, so that if you want to reconnect it, what you need to do is you need to select the power on button to switch the soundbar on. Once you switch it on, it will show you hello TV app, or you can go to Bluetooth. If you select Bluetooth, we show you BT pairing. Go to the TV settings, scroll down to sound out, showing us TV speaker. Select on the sound out, then scroll to the side to Bluetooth device, select Bluetooth, and it's going to search for available Bluetooth device. Once it's connected, it will show you BT. Then look for B series soundbar, select on it, select connect, and it's connected. LG TV B series is connected. So this is how to hook this up, and also it will show you TV. So this is how to reset the soundbar. So if you want to recap, to reset it, go to the TV setting first so that you can see the sound out Bluetooth device, then select plus and minus button together. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will show you INT. Then release it, and also it will show you the wireless connection has been disconnected, and the sound out TV speaker, and the soundbar is now switched off so that you can reconnect it. So this is how to solve a lot of issue if there's any connection issue with the soundbar. This is Samsung soundbar HW-B450F. Thank you very much indeed.